Welcome to my second HTML Crash Course 2020 tutorial. Feel free to subscribe this channel and leave the comment if you have any question. Now, let's get started. Web pages can be created and modified by using professional HTML editors. There are many HTML editors on the market. Here I list top free 5, and you can choose whatever you want. I think it's a good idea to test different editors out and see what works best for you. And also I want to make it clear that this is just my personal opinion. The number 5 was Notepad++. Notepad++ is an open source project that anybody can contribute to. It's a free text editor that many programmers download purely to open when they need to quickly see code. Its features include a tab document interface, support for macros and plugins, and an autosave function that automatically saves files temporarily before giving you the option of saving them to another location. But it only on Windows. The number 4 was Brackets. It is another free open source editor. Brackets is all about making it easy to design in a browser. It offers a wide range of coding tools including real-time visualization of the website you are working on, with changes reflected in real time. The number 3 was Sublime Text. It's a beautiful feature-rich text editor for editing code that puts a premium on user experience. Its features include a distraction-free writing mode and split editing, in addition to quick shortcuts and search. Speaking of which, there's a whole host of keyboard shortcuts that let you do anything from opening files to showing and hiding the sidebar, duplicating lines, going to a specific line number, opening the spell checker. The number 2 was Atom, which describes itself as a hackable text editor for the 21st century, is still brilliant and certainly one of the most customizable text editors around. A huge number of packages on the platform have been developed by its community, but it will consume the large install size. The number 1 was Visual Studio Code. Xcode has become popular among developers. It was created by Microsoft. Like Atom and Sublime Text, it offers a variety of packages and free extensions that can be downloaded from its marketplace to add additional features, and the code editor itself can be customized. Visual Studio Code supports its own terminal and debugger, supports linting, and has integration with all manner of source control tools. All the download link will be provided under the description. Feel free to download it and test out which one you prefer. Here I am choosing the Versus code and show you how to write your first HTML code. After you install the Versus code, you will see the same page like me. And you just need to click the Open folder. Then click New folder. Typing the name whatever you want, here I just called it Web Tutorial. Then open the folder you just created. The left panel will show the current file in your project. Because our project just created, so it would be empty. Then I click Create New File, name it index.html. Here I want to mention all the HTML file will end in HTML or HTML extension. There are no difference between those two. You can name it whatever you want. The reason I call it index.html, because the browser will default to find this file and render it on your web page. Don't worry, I will cover more detail in the future. There is a shortcut that can simply create the template for you. You can type HTML5, then the template will automatically generate. As I mentioned in last video, the doc type defines this document to be HTML5. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. Here I just simple type heading tags and paragraph tags just to demonstrate. Only the content inside the body section is displayed in a browser. After you're finished, you need to save this file. Press Ctrl+C plus keyboard S if you are in Windows. Press Command plus keyboard S if you are Mac OS. Then you can right-click the index.html, then copy the path. Go into your browser and paste it. Boom. Your first HTML code show here. In the next topic I will talk about the basic elements in HTML. See you there.